How to order a free Cash App debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to order a free Cash App debit card. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Next, tap on the bank icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Money section of Cash App, as you can see here. On this page, you will see options that are related to money. At the top of the page, there is an option named Get Your Free Card. Make sure you tap on it. Once you open the page, proceed and tap on this option here named Get Your Free Card. Once you tap on it, the page will start loading. Kindly wait for it. On the next page, you will see a section where you can choose your card style. There are two styles, Classic and Metal. Some card styles are free, while others will cost you some money, so go ahead and choose the style that you need. After that, this other page appears where there are two options. You can either order your card or customize it before ordering. To customize it, make sure you tap on this option here named Customize Card. You can then go ahead and make some custom changes to the card. Once you are done and satisfied with the changes you have made, go ahead and save the changes by tapping on the Save option. Finally, you need to now order the card. To do that, make sure you tap on this option here named Order Card. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. On the next page, you are supposed to enter your address or where you want your card to be sent. After that, tap here, Next. Once you do that, this other page appears where you are supposed to fill in all your information regarding where the card should be sent. Make sure you fill in this information carefully and then submit it to Cash App, and they will send the card to the address you have provided. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to order a free Cash App debit card.